Hey, this is Guy Fieri, my son Hunter. We are working with the team at Ergo Chef. This dynamite new knife block just came out with the 8-inch chef knife, the 6-inch serrated, and the 4-inch paring. And we're gonna make you a Fieri favorite. We're gonna make you a steak sandwich. So using tri-tip, some locally baked bread. Let's get into it. One of the things that I love about these knives from Ergo Chef is how great they slice. I want you to take a look at this tomato. Now, when you get a tomato that's really ripe, it's a little bit softer, it's hard to get through it and you end up smashing the tomato, but watch this knife. Look at how thin.
And none of that juice is getting compressed out, you know?
Look how thin. This is so thin it's only got one side. But look at that. I mean, you can almost read the paper through that thing. And we're famous for the donkey sauce. It's got a little garlic, just a touch of mustard, Worcestershire, a little salt and pepper, okay? Mike Scott, guys at Ergo Chef, couldn't do it without you.
You're awesome.